Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are eagerly waiting for the admission processes to colleges as to how your admission will be done, what are the criterias for admission, what marks you should score. So yes, in this video I am going to talk about all this as to how much marks you should get, what should be your percentage to get into the college or the dream stream of your choice. Yes, in this video we will be discussing this. So, admission to college. As you know, in this pandemic situations, exams had been cancelled. So, the new pattern for the admission is general category for honors is 70% in aggregate and 65% in the subject. For general paper, if you're not wishing for honors, eligibility of the person with disability candidate is same as OBC candidate, and eligibility of sports candidate is the same as the general candidate. For OBC category honors, 63% is required and 58% in the subject that is mentioned. And for general paper, 43% is required in aggregate and at least pass in any of the subjects as it is mentioned in the note 1 of the university rules and regulations. For scheduled caste and scheduled tribe of this state or any other state of the same origin, honors will require around 52% and 48% is required in any subject which is mentioned. And for the general paper, it's 37% in aggregate and at least pass in any subject that is mentioned according to the guidelines. Next, talking of person with disability, PWD, and outstanding sports person according to the note 2. Honors eligibility of the person with disability, that is PWD, candidate is same as OBC candidate, and eligibility of sports candidate is same as the general candidate. For the general paper, eligibility of person with disability, that is PWD, candidate is same as OBC candidate, and eligibility of sports candidate is same as a general candidate. Now there are few regulations notes that are given. Firstly, note 1. The word subject or related subject for any honors shall mean the subjects related to it. Accounts, business economics, including business maths or mathematics or economics or statistics or commerce or accounts or business studies or financial accounting or element of cost, accountancy and auditing or bookkeeping or business mathematics or cost accountancy and principles of management, or not only this, commercial law and taxation and preliminaries of auditing or costing of taxation, costing and taxation, English, history, geography, psychology, physiology. Next, coming to note 2. Outstanding sports person means a person who has represented the state or nation in the national or the international level sports in one or more of the events that is specified. Now I'm saying in the video with preceding 3 years, that is not before 1/1/2018. Football, chess, handball, cricket, badminton, water polo, netball, hockey, boxing, ball badminton, badminton, simple badminton, kho-kho, best physique, table tennis, kabaddi, shooting, lawn tennis, archery, powerlifting, athletics, basketball, lifting, weightlifting, swimming, volleyball, wrestling, diving, judo, rugby, rowing, gymnastic or gymnasium if selected. If selected for admission, such sports person must produce their certificate or the certificates in original from appropriate authority, which will be adequately verified from such authority before the admission of these sports person is qualified. If at the time of verification any of those certificates are found to be false, admission shall be cancelled and complaint will be lodged in the appropriate manner or in the appropriate forum. Next, there is a note 3 according to the university guidelines. For this purpose, the determining eligibility for admission to the honors course or the general course aggregate marks shall be calculated by adding the marks in the top 4 subjects in the higher secondary or in the board examinations or the equivalent examinations in order of marks secured by the candidate. However, marks is compulsory environmental education or studies shall not be taken into account for the calculation of the aggregate marks or the aggregate percentage. If the subject environmental science is studied as an elective subject of 100 marks, then it may be taken into account for the purpose of determining the aggregate marks or the aggregate percentage, but not otherwise. Let's give an important information. Applicants are hereby advised not to be duped by anybody in regard to admission. They are advised not to pay any amount to anybody except directed through the notice of the official website or that is uploaded on the college admission portal. Applicants are asked not to come to the college or university for any admission related query due to this situation. All information will be available in the website of the college and of the university that you are applying for. Admission taken on the basis of false statement or misstatement found at any point of time throughout the session shall be summarily offensive and will be cancelled for any admission. Dates and time of admission must be strictly followed. No special extension of the date and time will be given or granted to anyone at any circumstances after the period is over. Applicants need not upload their mark sheet of the HS or the equivalent examination or certificates for the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or OBC or physical disability, photo and signature during online application. All the said documents, as I told you just now, however, are to be required to be uploaded during online admission only. That is, one applicant has to upload those specified documents in the applicant comes if the applicant comes under any of the merit list to be published time to time on the admission portal based on the availability of seats of the college or of the university. In case one claims to take admission under the sports category, the applicant has to upload the scanned copy of the sports certificate during the application. You can refer to note 2 of the university guidelines for such details. Applicants must put their own email ID and mobile number, which will be required at the time of their admission and also during their studies in the further proceedings of the college. No candidate will be admitted in any honors course and science stream who has passed from any state council of technical and vocational educational and skill development, that is the CSR 21/16 dated 25/1/2017. For any admission related query or problem, you may book a ticket from the admission portal or contact the helpline number for each and every college or admission universities that is there. For admission qualification, a candidate who has passed the higher secondary examination or the 10 plus 2 or its equivalent examination is eligible to seek admission to the first semester of the 3 years or the sixth semester BA, BSc, BCom or Honours General course of studies, provided he or she has also passed in English, having full marks not being less than 100. However, no candidate shall be allowed for any admission after a lapse of more than 5 years from the year of passing the previous qualifying examination of the recognized or of recognized regular course or study from the institution. Year of passing must not be before 2016, it means. Explanation for this: the year of admission shall not be taken into account while calculating 5 years from the year of passing the previous qualifying examination. Migration: all the admitted applicants except those who have passed the higher secondary HS 10 plus 2 examination or any equivalent examination from the All India Boards or Councils, that is the CBSE, ISC and National Institute of Open Schooling, and any state universities or state boards need to submit migration certificate for getting registration under the university of their own state or any other universities. Document to be uploaded during application: firstly, sports category applicants, if you have any, must be uploaded through the sports certificate. All applicants except those who have passed the higher secondary 10 plus 2 examination or any other equivalent examination from the equivalent boards of the All India Board Councils, that is the CBSE, ISC and National Institute of Open Schooling, and the state boards, need to upload their migration certificate as and when asked by the universities. So as you can understand, the admission process is very clear, thoroughly they have decided through it, and the percentage of aggregate marks is changing from time to time. That is, it is also depending upon college to college and university to university. But most of it is having digital applications, so they are not even entertaining if you are going for physical visit of the college or the university. So it's very wise and safe and secure to apply and make queries through the online website, email addresses that are given through the online application mode only. So I hope you will understand the importance of the situation and you will apply for your college and university applications accordingly. So I wish you all the very best for your career ahead. Hope you have a bright career. Stay tuned and keep visiting all these videos that are being updated. So all the best for your career. Thank you for patiently hearing me out. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.